Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. Okay. So you all understood what is the rotation is and why day and night occur. Okay. I think everybody is clear. Okay. वो टॉपिक आप लोगों ने पहले भी कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी साइंस में पढ़ी हुई है. Okay. So let's move toward the another motion of the earth. Another movement of the earth, and that is the revolution. What is revolution? Revolution is the earth movement around the sun. Okay, sun is at one place only. All the other planets are revolving around it. Okay, उसके आजू बाजू सारे planets चक्कर काटते हैं, and that the movement around the sun is called revolution. Okay, see, this is a picture of our solar system, is it? And see, sun, this is sun. These all are the different orbits of the different planet. See, okay, these all are the orbit of the different planets, and all the planets are revolving around the sun. That's Earth too. The same way Earth also revolves around the sun. Let's see what are the effects because of the revolution of the Earth around the sun. The Earth also moves around the sun in the set path called the orbit. So this is a set path of the Earth, okay, on which the Earth revolves around the sun. This set path is called orbit. The movement of the Earth around the sun is called revolution. The Earth revolves in an elliptical shape. Okay, so Earth doesn't rotate around the sun in a perfect circular manner. It is elliptical. Okay, elliptical means this way. So this is not a perfect circle, but it is called the elliptical shape. Okay, the revolution of the Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete the one revolution. और अर्थ को एक सन का रेवोल्यूशन लेने में कितना टाइम लगता है? दैट इज 365 डेज एंड 6 आवर्स. ओके, इसलिए अगर आपने देखा होगा कि छोटे क्लासेस में आपको पूछते हैं कि 1 ईयर में कितने डेज होते हैं, देन व्हाट आंसर यू यूज्ड टू गिव? 365 डेज. यस, सो दैट 1 ईयर, yeah, Earth take the 1 year to complete the revolution around the sun, and that's what it is, and that's what we count as a 1 year, and that is in the day it is 365 days, but not the perfect 365 days. It also takes 6 hours, and that's what we count in the leap year. Leap year क्या है बच्चों? Leap year is same. See, this 6 plus 6 is 12. Then plus 6 is 18 and plus 6 is 24. So 1 day is complete. So after every 4 year we are having a leap year जहाँ पे ये 6 hour add होके 1 day increase हो जाता है, and that's what we call as a leap year. That add 1 more day in the calendar. To line up our calendar with the earth, an extra day is added in the month of February. क्योंकि मंथ ऑफ फेब्रुवरी में हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी 21 डेज ही काउंट करते हैं. सो जब लीप ईयर के बाद वो 1 एक्स्ट्रा डे इंक्रीज होता है, सो वी कीप इट इन द मंथ ऑफ फेब्रुवरी. सो व्हेन देयर इज अ 29 डेज इन द फेब्रुवरी, दैट ईयर इज कॉल्ड अ लीप ईयर. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द रेवोल्यूशन. मैं फिर भी एक बार हिंदी में बोल देती हूँ. सी, द अर्थ रोटेट्स अराउंड द सन इन द इलिप्टिकल शेप, and it takes 365 days to complete its revolution, but not perfect 365. It's 365 days and 6 hours. So for the 3 year we are counting it 365, 365, 365, and that 6 plus 6 plus 6 and plus 6 becomes the 24 hour in the 4th year, and that year we consider as a leap year, means that adds up the 1 more day. Okay. Now look towards the effect of the revolution on the earth. Now let's see कि और क्या क्या effect होता है revolution का earth. The effect of the revolution causes varying length of day and night. अब आपने आपके पेरेंट्स से, मदर फादर से भी कितनी बार सुना होगा ना कि समर में है ना वो दिन होता है वो छोटा, दिन होता है वो बड़ा होता है, रात है वो छोटी होती है। विंटर में जो नाइट होता है वो बड़ा होता है और डे होता है वो छोटा होता है। बट रियली सच थिंग एग्जिस्ट? क्या सच में ऐसा है? Yes, it is like this. In December, the sun is directly over the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, दिसंबर मंथ होता है तब सन का डायरेक्ट जो सन रेज है वो कहाँ पे पड़ता है? सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर पे. Okay, and that's near Tropic of Capricorn. So there will be the shorter day and the longer night. Okay. In June, the sun is directly over the Tropic of Cancer. Therefore, there will be a longer days and the shorter night. And most of the world, हमारा जो अर्थ का मोस्ट ऑफ द लैंड पार्ट है दैट इज इन द नॉर्थर्न हेमिस्फीयर. सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में इट इज ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड एंड ऑल दैट. ओके, एंड सम पार्ट ऑफ द अफ्रीकन कॉन्टिनेंट ऑल्सो. तो जो when the sun is directly to the Tropic of Cancer, as we all are most of in the northern hemisphere, इसलिए Tropic of Cancer कहाँ है बच्चों? इक्वेटर के northern hemisphere में. Okay, so when the sun is directly over the northern hemisphere, so the days are longer, night are shorter. Okay, let's understand it more clear with the diagram. Yeah, see, this is equator. This is equator. This is Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. When, see, Earth is tilted. Okay. This is Arctic Circle. This is Antarctic Circle. Okay. Now, when suppose it's getting the sunlight. Okay, so at the equator it is 12. Okay, when it is in this position there is an equal day and night. Now as the sun ray is directly hitting the Tropic of Cancer, so what happens? The here 13.5 hours means sun is hitting directly, so the day will be longer and night will be shorter. और यहाँ देखो, यहाँ पे sun की sun rays are not reaching here, so here will be 6 month night, and here the 6 month it will be day. Okay, at the polar region there will be 6 month day and 6 month night. क्योंकि अर्थ अगर रोटेशन अपना कंप्लीट भी कर लेगा तो भी this part is going to remain in the dark only because it is tilted also, na? Yeah. So here it is going to be 6 month polar day and here it is going to be 6 month polar night. When the earth change the position while doing the revolution, the sunlight hits here more, that we will see it another. Okay, so जब तक यहाँ पे sunlight Tropic of Cancer पे direct आ रहा है, so it's not reaching directly on the Tropic of Capricorn. It's getting a tilted sunlight. So here night is longer and day is shorter. This is how the day and night length is varying. It's changing. Okay. So when this sphere of the earth, southern hemisphere, experiences direct sunlight, then this part is having the longer day and shorter night. When the Tropic of Cancer is experiencing the direct sunlight, then the northern hemisphere experiences longer day and the shorter night, and it vice versa. Okay. Now let's come to the season. Okay, season is also a phenomena that is because of the revolution of the earth. A season is a subdivision of the year. Season क्या है बच्चों? हम year को 3 month में डिवाइड कर लेते हैं in the 4 main seasons: winter, spring, summer and autumn. During season, hours of the daylight and weather may vary greatly depending on the location or on the earth. किसी भी सीजन में जो दिन कितने देर तक है या द लेंथ ऑफ द डे एंड नाइट एंड द वेदर is depending upon where you live on the earth. Okay? आप अर्थ के कौन से पार्ट पे रहते हो उस पर डिपेंड करता है कि आपको कितने देर तक डे होगा, कितने देर तक नाइट होगा, एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वेदर यू विल एक्सपीरियंस. So what causes this season? There are the two major causes for this season on the earth. The first is the earth is tilted and the position of the earth in relation to the sun. Okay? और जब रेवोल्यूशन होता है अर्थ का सन के आजू बाजू, तो सन का पोजीशन क्या होता है इन रिलेशन, अर्थ का पोजीशन क्या होता है इन रिलेशन टू द सन, क्योंकि वो इलिप्टिकल है. Okay, so sometime it's getting too far, sometime it's getting too close. Because of that, the season is occurring on the earth. So these are the main two reasons. Now we will get it more clear with the diagram. Yeah, see, let's start from here. Okay, so sunlight is here. The sunlight is more here. Okay, so northern hemisphere में means here it is winter. Okay, this is equator बच्चों, this is equator. Okay, so as the sunlight is directly getting on the southern hemisphere, there it is a summer. Here as a tilted होने के कारण ये पार्ट ज़्यादा ऊंचा है, तो it's getting a less sunlight. Okay, so here it is winter, here it is summer. Now the earth moves ahead and reaches here in the month of March. Okay, now if you will see, then you will see sun rays are almost equal on both the hemisphere. Is it? So on the 21st March it is equinox. It is equinox because day and night is equal. दोनों 12 hours के होते हैं, जबकि यहाँ पे when there is a winter solstice, means in the northern hemisphere it is a winter, then on 22 December it is a winter solstice and night is longest. Okay, but here as both the hemisphere are getting the equal sunlight, mostly equal sunlight, so in the northern hemisphere it is an equinox and the length of day and night are equal. Then again the sun moves and come at this position in the month of June. As now the Tropic of Cancer is receiving the more sunlight, so in the northern hemisphere it is a summer and in the southern hemisphere now it is a winter. And 21 June is called the summer solstice, as on that day the Tropic of Cancer is directly towards the sunlight and it experiences the longest day and the shortest night. Okay, in the northern hemisphere. Okay, then earth movement comes here and in the September month it reaches here. Now again almost both the hemisphere is receiving the equal sunlight, and in the northern hemisphere it is autumn and in the southern hemisphere it is spring, and it is also considered as an equinox. So as both the hemisphere is receiving almost the equal sunlight, so it is called the equinox, means day and night, length of day and night is equal. Okay, one most remarkable thing which you have to remember is the season on the earth hemisphere is always opposite. Okay, अगर नॉर्थ में समर है तो साउथ में विंटर होगा, साउथ में सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में विंटर होगा तो नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में समर होगा. Okay, see, these are the slides which you have to read. Okay, जो मैंने आपको समझाया है, that is a written work of this. The Earth rotates on its axis in the same direction while revolving around the Sun on its orbit. Due to this, the North Pole faces the Sun at regular intervals. The rays of the Sun fall vertically either on the north or on the south of the equator. And because of that, there is a changes in the length of day and night. Sun अपने एक्सिस पे सेम डायरेक्शन में मूव करता है while revolving around the sun. इस वजह से नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फेयर पे जो सन है वो रेगुलर इंटरवल पे उसके सामने आता है एंड द सन रे फॉल्स वर्टिकली, और सन का जो रे है वो सीधा नहीं comes vertically, that comes straight either on the southern hemisphere or on the south of or the northern hemisphere. And because of these, the variation of day and night, length of the variation of day and night exist. Those part of the earth which receives the more sunlight experiences summer. जहाँ पे ज़्यादा sunlight आता है वहाँ पे summer होता है, while which receives the less sunlight that experiences winter. The northern hemisphere experiences, northern hemisphere में summer कब होता है? Between 21st March to the 21st September, while it is a winter in the southern hemisphere. Means अभी हमारे नॉर्थ हेमिस्फीयर में क्या है? समर है. सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में क्या होगा? विंटर होगा. एंड व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सपीरियंस द विंटर, वहां पे क्या होगा? समर. Now the seasons are reversed in northern and southern hemisphere. This what I have already told you. This is equator, this is north hemisphere, this is south hemisphere, this is north hemisphere. So you can see most land part is on the northern hemisphere. Okay, so always the season is opposite. अगर नॉर्थ में विंटर है तो साउथ में समर होगा, अगर यहाँ पे समर है तो यहाँ पे विंटर होगा. ओके, so we are going to focus on the season in the northern hemisphere. That's where we live. During winter the earth is tilted away from the sun. विंटर में क्या होता है कि जो नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर है वो टिल्ट होने के कारण इट इज नॉट गेटिंग द वर्टिकल सन रेज, उसके ऊपर स्ट्रेट सनलाइट नहीं आती है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट कॉजेज द विंटर. अ कूल फैक्ट इज वी आर एक्चुअली क्लोजर टू द सन इन द विंटर देन इन समर. लेकिन हम सन के ज़्यादा नज़दीक होते हैं विंटर सीजन में, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ऑर्बिट इज इलिप्टिकल. ओके, द अमाउंट ऑफ द नाइट आवर्स एक्सीड्स द डे light. So because we are not receiving the direct sunlight, so the night hours are increasing. During summer in the northern hemisphere the earth is tilted towards the sun. लेकिन समर में क्या होता है कि अर्थ का जो नॉर्थन हेमिस्फीयर है वो सन की तरफ टिल्टेड होता है. ओके, लाइक दिस. सो इट इज गेटिंग अ स्ट्रेट सनलाइट. ओके, दिस रिजल्ट्स in the direct rays from the sun. The amount of the daylight exceeds the amount of night hours. इस वजह से जो डे होता है वो ज़्यादा लॉन्ग होता है, and the hours of the day increases in comparison to the hours of the night. इसीलिए डे बड़ा होता है, नाइट छोटा होता है. Okay, I hope the concept of the length of day and night is clear to you. क्यों डे और नाइट है वो लॉन्गर एंड शॉर्टर होता है, एंड वाई देर इज इक्विनॉक्स. इक्विनॉक्स मीन्स रिसीविंग द इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ द सनलाइट, जहाँ पे 12 आवर्स का डे 12 आवर्स का नाइट होता है, एंड देर आर द फिनोमिना ऑफ इक्विनॉक्स इज ट्वाइस इन द ईयर, दैट इज 21 मार्च एंड 23rd September. विंटर सोलिस्टिस इज 22 दिसंबर. इट इज अ विंटर सोलिस्टिस, इसीलिए जो नाइट होता है वो लॉन्गेस्ट होता है. 21st इज अगेन अ समर सोलिस्टिस, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द डे इज लॉन्गेस्ट एंड नाइट इज शॉर्टेस्ट. ओके, along with this I am also adding another animated video so the concept become more clear to you. Okay, good day students.